आज भी सुबह सुबह हम किसी नई इंटरेस्टिंग जगह पे जाने वाले हैं। तो ये कहाँ कोई लेक है, कोई नेशनल पार्क है, कोई वाटरफॉल है। तो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज़। Yeah, Kenneth, what was the name of the place?
Lonauer Waterfall.
We are driving for 1.5 hours and now we have to take a short break. Without coffee, his driving is getting questionable now. So we have reached to this place where we have a lot of choices and there's obviously a Burger King as well. So how do you feel about Yoga's driving today?
Yeah, quite stable, very interesting.
As usual, huh?
Yeah. Do yoga. Yeah, he has a job, he has a project, he has a place that he can go to, so that is a good thing. But yeah, I think Patamon is always open to him, he can always come back. I will always be there.
So we always thought that yoga is like a nucleus of Desi Circle in Patamon. So when he's leaving now, we have a fear that the Desi Circle will disperse.
Yeah, I really miss Patrabon because I stayed here for almost 5 years. Therefore, it's little bit emotion to go out of Patrabon. The emotions we cannot show outside, no? It will be there inside somewhere.
Next stop, to the lake. So this was the lake. Really nice ambience out here.